Hello everyone, I'm teacher Amir from village Bzalkhov Veles, teacher in the school Vasilabinov Veles. For today's lesson you need to have notebook and pen or pencil. Today's lesson is about describing interests such as free activities. What will we learn? We will learn how to describe an interest such as school or free activities. Describing an interest, free time. Free time, the time when you are not working, when you can choose what you do. What do you do in your free time? General free time activities. Go to the cinema. Going to the cinema. Go to the cinema to see movies. There are a lot of types of movies such as art films, animated films, comedy, drama, action, fantasy, documentary, and musical, etc. Watch TV. Watching TV. You have to make a schedule because too much time in TV can damage your eyes. You can watch different types of television programs. We'll list some of them. Reality TV, situation comedies or called sitcom, talk shows, cartoons, game shows, sport programs, movies, etc. Play video games. Also in playing video games you have to make a schedule because if you sit in front of TV or computer for a long time, that is damage to your eyes. You can play games on your computer or on a game consoles such as PlayStation, Xbox, PSP, etc. You can play on your own or with your friends or family. Go to the park. Best natural idea of spending that free time is going in the park. You can go to the park alone, with family, or with friends. You can take a picnic rug and a picnic basket and have a picnic. You can read, sleep, kick a football around, climb trees, or play on the children's playground. Health is important. Exercise and play sport. Exercise and play sport. To stay fit and healthy, you can do exercise alone, such as swimming, or you can play a team sport, such as football or basketball. Health is important, so in your free time, the best way to spend it is by exercising or playing sport. Team exercise is better, such as football, basketball, and other types of sport. Hope you enjoy it. Be safe and goodbye.